Hello and welcome, Science Fact Tech community. Space is vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring, but not all planets are beautiful or habitable. Some are absolute nightmares, worlds filled with raging storms, crushing gravity, and scorching heat. Today, we're diving into the most terrifying planets ever discovered in the universe. Hold on tight because these places are straight out of a sci-fi horror movie. Our first stop takes us to HD 189733b, a planet located about 63 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Vulpecula. This gas giant is locked in synchronous rotation with its star, meaning one side is always facing the star, and the other side is shrouded in eternal darkness. The atmosphere of HD 189733b is a maelstrom of unimaginable fury. The winds here scream through the upper atmosphere at speeds reaching 5,400 miles per hour, which is 7 times the speed of sound. And what do these winds carry? It's not rain or snow, but molten glass. Yes, you heard that right. On HD 189733b, it rains glass. And not just a gentle drizzle, but a sideways torrential downpour of molten shards. Imagine a hurricane where razor-sharp glass shreds through everything in its path. The extreme heat on the star-facing side, coupled with the planet's composition, creates silicate particles that condense in the atmosphere, forming glass. And then, those relentless winds whip these glass shards into a sideways frenzy. No human-made spacecraft could withstand this onslaught. HD 189733b stands as a stark reminder that beauty can be deceiving, and in the vast canvas of the cosmos, there are worlds far more terrifying than we can imagine. Fasten your seatbelts as we journey to our next destination, Kepler 70b, a planet that makes even the most extreme environments on Earth look like a summer breeze. This isn't just a hot planet, it's a cosmic furnace. An inferno so extreme that it pushes the very limits of our understanding of planetary temperatures. Kepler 70b orbits a star that's in its subgent phase, meaning it's on its way to becoming a red giant. This proximity comes at a terrifying cost. The surface temperature on Kepler 70b is estimated to be a mind-boggling 7,200 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4,000 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, that's hotter than the surface of most stars in the universe. If you could somehow teleport to the surface of Kepler 70b, you wouldn't just burn, you'd be vaporized instantly. Even the most heat-resistant materials known to science wouldn't stand a chance. Now it's a scorching, desolate world, a testament to the immense power of stellar evolution. Kepler 70b stands as a stark warning sign that the universe can be a brutally hot place, and that some worlds are simply too extreme for anything to survive. Our next destination takes us to a planet caught in a cosmic tug-of-war, a celestial spectacle that sends shivers down the spines of even the most seasoned astronomers. This is the story of WASP-12b, a gas giant being slowly devoured by its own star, a gruesome display of the universe's raw power. Now WASP-12b is a planet that lives on borrowed time. It orbits its star, a yellow dwarf star located about 1,400 light-years away from Earth, at a distance so close that it completes an orbit in just over 1 Earth day. But this proximity comes at a terrifying price. WASP-12b is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side is always facing the star, while the other is shrouded in perpetual darkness. The star-facing side of WASP-12b experiences unimaginable heat, so much so that the planet's atmosphere is being stripped away by the star's intense radiation. WASP-12b is being stretched and distorted by its star's immense gravitational pull, like a cosmic taffy being pulled apart. Imagine a planet being stretched so thin that its atmosphere forms a glowing teardrop shape, trailing behind it as it orbits its star. Scientists estimate that WASP-12b is losing millions of tons of its atmosphere every second, creating a swirling disk of superheated gas around its star. WASP-12b serves as a chilling reminder that even in the vastness of space, no planet is safe from the relentless forces of gravity and stellar evolution. Prepare to journey into the abyss, to a world so dark, so utterly devoid of light, that it challenges our very understanding of darkness. This is TRES-2b, the blackest planet ever discovered, a cosmic enigma shrouded in eternal night. Located some 750 light-years away in the constellation Draco, TRES-2b is a gas giant larger than Jupiter, orbiting a star remarkably similar to our Sun. But that's where the similarities end. Unlike our gas giant neighbors, Jupiter and Saturn, which reflect a significant amount of sunlight, TRES 2b absorbs almost all light that falls upon it. Imagine a world where the stars are absent from the sky, where the only illumination comes from the faint, eerie glow of the planet's own internal heat. This is the reality of TRES 2b. It reflects less than 1% of the sunlight that hits it, making it blacker than coal, blacker than asphalt, even blacker than the darkest acrylic paint. Scientists are still baffled by TRES 2b's extreme darkness. Some theories suggest that its atmosphere is composed of light-absorbing chemicals, while others speculate that its upper atmosphere might be filled with light-scattering particles. TRES 2b is a chilling reminder that the universe is full of mysteries, and some of those mysteries are as dark and impenetrable as the blackest night. Hold on tight as we venture into one of the most extreme environments in the cosmos, a place where death lurks around every corner and survival is nothing short of a miracle. This is PSRB 1257 plus 12b, a planet trapped in the deadly embrace of a pulsar, a stellar remnant with a heart of darkness. Now, pulsars are fascinating objects. They're the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova, leaving behind incredibly dense, rapidly rotating neutron stars. These stellar corpses emit beams of radiation from their poles that sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses, and that's where the danger lies. The radiation emitted by a pulsar is incredibly intense, capable of stripping away atmospheres and sterilizing any planet that dares to venture too close. And PSRB 1257 plus 12b orbits its pulsar at a distance closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Imagine a world bathed in constant deadly radiation where the very air you breathe would be poisonous, and the ground beneath your feet would crackle with energy. Scientists believe that PSRB 1257 plus 12b formed from the debris of the pulsar's supernova explosion, a testament to the resilience of nature even in the face of unimaginable destruction. But despite its resilience, this planet is a desolate wasteland, a graveyard of shattered worlds. PSRB 1257 plus 12b is a stark reminder that the universe can be a beautiful and terrifying place, where creation and destruction are often intertwined. Prepare to be dazzled, and I mean truly dazzled, as we travel to a planet that glitters like no other. This is 55 Cancri e, a planet twice the size of Earth, that orbits a sun-like star called 55 Cancri, located about 40 light-years away in the constellation of Cancer. Now 55 Cancri e is a planet that captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike when it was discovered back in 2004. This planet is believed to be made largely of pure crystallized carbon. Yes, you heard that right, a diamond planet. Imagine a world where the mountains sparkle with the fire of a million diamonds, where the rivers flow with liquid gemstones, and the very ground beneath your feet is worth more than all the treasures of Earth combined. But here's the catch. 55 Cancri e is not a place you'd want to visit, at least not without some serious protective gear. This diamond planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side is always facing the star, experiencing scorching temperatures of over 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt most metals. So, while the idea of a diamond planet is undeniably alluring, 55 Cancri e is a stark reminder that beauty can be deceiving, and even the most precious treasures in the universe can be found in the most inhospitable of places. Our final destination takes us to a world that seems to defy the laws of physics, a planet where ice burns and water refuses to flow. This is Gliese 436b, a Neptune-sized planet located about 33 light-years away in the constellation of Leo. Now, Gliese 436b is a planet of contradictions. It's classified as a hot Neptune, meaning it's a gas giant that orbits its star at a very close distance. In fact, Gliese 436b is so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just under 3 Earth days. But here's where things get weird. Despite its close proximity to its star and a surface temperature of over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, Gliese 436b is covered in ice. Yes, you heard that right, burning ice. How is this possible? The intense gravity on Gliese 436b compresses the water molecules, preventing them from transitioning into a gas, even at such high temperatures. This creates a bizarre state of matter known as Ice 7, a form of ice that remains solid even at incredibly high temperatures. Scientists believe that Gliese 436b's bizarre ice might be responsible for its puffy atmosphere, which appears larger than it should be given the planet's size. Gliese 436b is a stark reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and even the most seemingly impossible phenomena can occur under the right conditions. Space is full of mysteries, and as we've seen today, some planets are too terrifying to imagine. From planets with molten glass storms to those being devoured by their own stars, the universe is home to some truly nightmarish worlds. But these terrifying planets also remind us of the incredible diversity and power of the cosmos. They challenge our understanding of physics and push the boundaries of our imagination. So, which of these planets scared you the most? Was it the glass rain of HD 189733b, the scorching heat of Kepler 70b, or the diamond-encrusted hellscape of 55 Cancri e? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring the dark and mysterious corners of space, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a journey.